Hey friends, if you encounter this issue, system image backup failed, error so and so, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing. First of all, system protection must be configured. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on configure system restore. Click on configure here and make sure that system protection is turned on. It should be turned on, and even better, you can create a restore point. Okay, and make sure that the restore point is created. Once it is created, you can what do we say, click on close. So restart your computer and it will fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then instead of performing a DISM scan, you can perform an SFC scan. This will work in most of the cases. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.